Natural pest control methods for your garden. 1. Neem oil. Neem oil is a powerful natural insect repellent. Dilute it with water and spray it on your plants to keep pests at bay. 2. Diatomaceous earth. Diatomaceous earth is made from fossilized remains of marine phytoplankton. Sprinkle it around your plants to deter slugs, snails, and other crawling insects. 3. Companion planting. Planting certain plants together can repel pests. For example, marigolds can deter aphids and mosquitoes. 4. Garlic spray. Garlic has natural insect repelling properties. Blend garlic cloves with water, strain, and spray the mixture on plants to deter pests. 5. Beer traps. Sink shallow containers of beer into the ground to attract and drown slugs and snails. 6. Organic soap spray. Mix water and a few drops of organic liquid soap. Spray it on affected plants to suffocate soft-bodied insects. 7. Cayenne pepper. Sprinkle cayenne pepper around your garden to deter many pests, including squirrels and cats. 8. Bird feeders. Encourage birds in your garden as they eat a variety of insects and can naturally control pest populations. 9. Nematodes. Release beneficial nematodes into the soil to control soil-dwelling pests like grubs and larvae. 10. Ladybugs. Introduce ladybugs to your garden. They feed on aphids and other small insects. 12. Physical barriers. Use physical barriers like netting or mesh to protect your plants from birds, insects, and larger pests. 13. Baking soda. A mixture of baking soda and water can deter aphids and other soft-bodied insects. 14. Eggshells. Crushed eggshells around your plants can deter slugs and snails due to their sharp edges. 15. Citrus peels. Citrus peels, like those from oranges or lemons, can deter cats and some insects. Place them strategically around your garden. 16. Pest-resistant varieties. Choose plant varieties that are naturally resistant to common pests in your area. 17. Essential oil repellent spray. Create a natural repellent spray using essential oils like peppermint, cedar, or eucalyptus mixed with water. By utilizing these natural pest control methods, you can keep your garden healthy and thriving without resorting to harmful chemicals. Happy gardening!